Hello students. In a previous class we have dealt with the units, different units of distance. In today's class we will learn metric system. So the highest unit of distance is kilometer. We will denote kilometer by king. Here I am giving you a mnemonic so that it's easier for you to remember the sequence. So kilometer means king. Hectometer, Henry. Decameter, doesn't. And we have the SI unit as meter. So SI unit, so we are taking it as usually. Decimeter, drink. Centimeter, chocolate. Millimeter, milk. So King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. So now you can remember very easily that metric table. That is King Henry, king for kilometer, Henry for hectometer, doesn't for decameter, usually means the unit, that is the meter. Drink means decimeter, chocolate means centimeter, and milk means millimeter. Okay, now this is the SI unit of distance, that is meter, and units which are below the meter or the SI unit are smaller units. So this way the units become smaller. And the units which are above the meter or the SI unit, and as it goes upward the units get larger. That means kilometer here in this case is the largest unit. Okay, now there are basically two ways of changing the units. There are two ways of changing the units. One is multiply and one is divide. Now when do we have to multiply, when we have to divide? Let's see. So another mnemonics for you. Best soccer mom. Soccer means footballer. Best soccer moms. Take the first letter best. Best with big unit. Soccer S small unit. Mom M multiply. That means bigger unit to smaller unit you need to multiply. So if you want to change from bigger unit to any smaller unit, you have to multiply. See, from bigger unit, these are the smaller units. After kilometer, hectometer is smaller, decameter is more smaller, meter is again smaller. So as you go downwards the table, what you have to do? You have to multiply. See, I have given the arrow this way. So as you go downwards, you have to multiply. Next mnemonics, let's see. Silly babies dancing. Silly means small unit. Baby is big unit. Dancing is divide. So from small unit, if you want to convert to bigger unit, what you have to do? You have to divide. Very good. So from smaller unit, as you go up the table, what you have to do? You have to divide. So up, divide, down, multiply. So remember this mnemonics. Best soccer mom, bigger unit to smaller unit multiply. Silly babies dancing, smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide. Very good. Okay, now let's see another table which will be easy, but now you have to divide and multiply. But with what? Let's see with what you have to multiply and divide. Okay, so here we are taking the table again. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So we have given number 10 to each of these units. 10 to hectometer, 10 to decameter, 10 to meter, 10 to decimeter, 10 to centimeter, and 10 to millimeter. Now from bigger unit to smaller unit, what you need to do? Best soccer mom, big to small, multiply. So you have to multiply as you go this way. But with what? Multiply by 10. So each unit you go, you have to multiply by 10. For example, if you want to go from kilometer to hectometer, you will multiply with how much? With 10. If you want to go from kilometer to decameter, you have to multiply with 10 into 10. That is with 100. If you want to go from kilometer to meter, with how much we have to multiply? Let's see. 10 into 10 into 10. That means with 1000. From decimeter, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That means 10,000. and so on. Now, if you want to go from meter to decameter, what do you have to do? You have to divide, because you are coming this way of the table from smaller unit to larger unit. Silly babies dancing, smaller to larger, you have to divide. So meter to decameter, divide by how much? Divide by 10. If you want to go from meter to hectometer, divide with how much? 10 into 10, that means divide by 100. And if you have to go from meter to kilometer, divide by 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1 by 1000. Okay, now in our class we will deal with only kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. So I will show you again one table where it will be easier for you to remember. Now from kilometer to meter, multiply 100, because you are going from bigger unit to smaller unit. Kilometer to meter, multiply 100. Meter to centimeter, multiply 10. Kilometer to meter, multiply 1000. Meter to centimeter, multiply 100. Centimeter to millimeter, multiply into 10. Now if you want to go from millimeter to centimeter, you have to divide by 10. Centimeter to meter, again divide by 100. Meter to kilometer, again divide by 1000. Easy, right? Okay, so let's solve some simple questions. So question number 1, they are telling you that convert 66 meter to millimeter. Okay, now we have to convert from meter to millimeter. That means we have to jump twice, once and then twice. So from here to here 100 into 10 means 1000. So we will multiply 66 into 1000, that means 66,000 millimeter. Good. Now next question, 821 meter to centimeter. So we have to go from here to here. Meter to centimeter, only multiply with 100. So 281 into 100, 28100 centimeter. Next, 94 centimeter to millimeter. Now you have to go from here to here, centimeter to millimeter. So again you have to multiply by 10. So 94 into 10, 490 millimeter. Next question, 8 kilometer to meter. So from here to here, that means 8 into how much? 1000. Very good. So 8 into 1000 is 8000 meter. Understood? Easy, right? Practice it. It will be easier for you. Thank you.